Today I'm diving into a full review of Pass, the Linux password store. If you're a Linux user or just someone looking for a lightweight, secure password manager that doesn't rely on a bloated GUI or cloud sync, Pass might be exactly what you've been looking for. From the moment you install it, you realize this is built for those who love control. The installation process is straightforward for anyone familiar with package managers like apt, dnf, or pacman, and once you got it set up, you initialize your store using GPG keys. Pass leverages GPG for encryption, so it's not only secure, but also very transparent in how it works. You create a GPG key pair if you don't already have one, and this forms the basis of your encrypted password store. Every password you save is encrypted individually in a simple directory structure. That means you can version control your password store using Git, one of its most powerful features. Navigation and usage are entirely through the terminal. You add, remove, and edit passwords with simple commands. It's snappy, intuitive if you're comfortable with the CLI, and feels incredibly fast. Searching for credentials is instant. There's no waiting, no loading animations. Just the information you need when you need it. It integrates well with tools like Menu, Rofi, and even browser extensions via third-party plugins. Now, it's not perfect. The biggest downside is definitely the learning curve for those who aren't used to the command line. There's no GUI, which might be a deal breaker for some. Setting up GPG and understanding how to manage your keyrings can be intimidating at first. Documentation helps, but it expects a degree of technical literacy. And if you lose your GPG key or forget your passphrase, you're essentially locked out with no recovery options. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. What's fantastic though, is that Pass doesn't lock you into any ecosystem. It's as portable as your encrypted password files and GPG key. You can back it up to your own server or a Git repo, sync it across machines, and never rely on a third-party cloud provider. That's privacy and ownership at a level few other password managers offer. There's also an Android app called Password Store that syncs with your Git repo, and while the setup is a bit more manual than cloud-based options, it's completely in your control. Security-conscious users will appreciate that nothing is hidden, everything is auditable, and you're using battle-tested tools like GPG under the hood. Overall, Pass is a brilliant option if you want a no-nonsense, private, and hacker-friendly password manager. It's not for everyone, especially if you're allergic to the terminal. But if you're looking for something fast, scriptable, and fully yours, Pass is absolutely worth trying out. I personally switched to it after testing several other managers, and while it took a bit to get used to, I now can't imagine using anything else. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.